Okay, did a lot of work here in the yard today. Don't look like it, but I did. Got the blossoms going, windy. And I gotta get that tractor up and running. This tree here's got a lot of debris at the bottom. I cut all these limbs out. I gotta put them in smaller size and maybe stick them back up under the tree as fertilizer. These are apple trees here that these have never, well, I think they bloomed once in about 6 years. They're about 21 inches apart, and they came from a store that online used to sell a lot of bad trees, the wrong trees, but these I think are apple trees. I can see by the leaves, they're apple trees, but they never did anything. We'll see this year. Over and out.